Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our chapter Poverty as a Challenge. So, my dear children, in the last audio, I recorded about the meaning of poverty, what is poverty, about poverty line, and so many basic things. So, today we are going to start this chapter from the book. I'll give you the terms again, I'll explain, plus I'll do the reading from the book and explain you side by side. So listen carefully and keep your eyes open. First of all, I'm going to read the overview of this chapter. This chapter deals with one of the most difficult challenges faced by independent India, poverty. So children, what is poverty? What do you mean by poverty? Poverty is the inability to get minimum consumption requirements of life. What are those minimum consumption requirements? Food, shelter, clothes. These are our basic needs, which we want in our day-to-day routine life. So I'm repeating again, poverty is the inability to get minimum consumption requirements of life. After discussing this multidimensional problem through examples, the chapter discusses the way poverty is seen in social sciences, poverty trends in India and the world are illustrated through the concept of the poverty line. Causes of poverty as well as anti-poverty measures taken by the government are also discussed. Children, we will do this concept afterwards, cause of poverty and the anti-poverty measures. The chapter ends with broadening the official concept of poverty into human poverty. So let me start with the introduction. In our daily life, we come across many people who we think are poor. My dear children, in the previous audio and video, I gave you so many points who are poor. Kindly go through with the previous lecture for this. Again, they could be landless laborers in villages or people living in overcrowded jhuggies in cities. They could be daily wage workers at construction sites or child workers in dhabas. I gave you these examples already, I explained to you. They could also be beggars with children in tatters. Tatters means in pieces, फटे हुए कपड़ों में. We see poverty all around us. In fact, every fourth person in India is poor. This means roughly 270 million, or you can say 27 crore people in India live in poverty 2011 and 12. This also means that India has the largest single concentration of the poor in the world. This illustrates the seriousness of the challenge. I repeat, I already gave you so many examples that who are poor in the previous recording.